Hello, children. A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is your English language class, and today we are going to start a new topic, tenses. Is that okay, children? I hope you all heard this word before, and it is a very important topic in English language. So, you all need to pay good attention to it. Okay? All right. Now, we are going to start with it. Before we go further, let us know the meaning of tense. The word tense is derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time. So, children, in simple language, tense means time. Okay? Definition of tense. Tense is the form in which a verb is used to express when an action is, was, or will be performed. Children, in tense, to know which tense a particular sentence belongs to, you need to know the verb of a sentence. Now, what is a verb? Children, verbs are any word which show some action, or verbs are also known as doing words. You remember? Sleeping, jumping, eating. These words are showing some action. Hence, these words are verbs. Alright? Okay. Now let us continue. Based on time frame, that is, when the action is taking place, we can divide or categorize tense into three types: present tense, past tense, future tense. That means, children, when we read a sentence, based on the verb of a sentence, we will see that the sentence is in present tense, that means now, past tense, that means yesterday, or future tense, that means tomorrow. Okay? Tenses are divided in three parts, children: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay? Now let us see one example. Alright? Okay. Present tense. The present tense of a verb tells that something is happening now, just now, right now. Okay? For example, I am eating the apple. Now, children, in this sentence, eating is the verb. Alright? And by reading the sentence, you can understand that this thing is happening now. That means the person is eating the apple. Eating shows present tense. Okay? Now let us see past. The past tense of a verb tells that something already happened. It has happened. Okay? Maybe yesterday. Example, I ate the apple. Children, in this sentence, ate is the verb. Okay? And this verb is used in past tense. This word ate, this verb ate, shows us that the person has already eaten the apple. That means this sentence is in past tense. Okay? Now let us see future tense. The future tense of a verb tells that something will happen later. Okay? That means tomorrow. Example, I will eat that apple later. Now, children, here will eat is the verb which shows us that the person will eat apple later. Okay, maybe tomorrow. Is that okay, children? Now, I hope you have understood that in a sentence, you have to identify the verb first. Okay? Identify the verb and then decide that the sentence is in a present tense, past tense, or future tense. Alright? A verb is a word that shows action. Children, don't forget what a verb is, okay? Like jumping girl, jumping is the verb. The baby sleeps, sleeps is the verb. A man eats a burger, eats is a verb, okay children? Now, in tenses only children, verbs are further divided in two parts, okay? Regular and irregular verbs. But don't get confused. We will study this, that means this regular and irregular verbs, in our next class. Alright children, right now you all concentrate on present tense, past tense and future tense. Alright, go through this video again and we will be discussing this topic in our class. Have a nice day children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.